here we are at the Sonic. Got my grandkids. I got Colette right here. Got Sam back there. Yeah. And we're in the CanAm Defender LoneStar side by side. Got in this CanAm and it wouldn't start. Drives me up the wall. And this is like third, fourth, fifth time it happened. And if any of you guys had this happen, there's nothing wrong with it. You come in, lights are off, it's got plenty of battery. And then my beautiful wife brought up an interesting question. Did you try pressing the brake? I said, no, I'm not putting it in gear. She says, well, try pressing on the brake. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.